Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create this smart task tracker in Excel. When you checkmark any task, it will automatically count it as completed. The task name will get a strike through to visually show that it's finished. In the summary section, we'll display the number of completed tasks, pending tasks, early completed tasks, delayed tasks, and the progress percentage using some dynamic formulas. Along with this, we'll have a donut chart that visually displays the task completion percentage. We'll also use dynamic formulas to calculate the planned duration and actual duration considering the start date, due date, and actual finish date. Before we start, don't forget to hit like, share it around, and subscribe to my channel for more smart and time-saving tutorials. Now, let's get started. As you can see, we have this sample Excel data listed under different columns with some basic formatting. Along with that, we also have the summary section ready at the top. Let's begin by setting up the status column, which is in column D. Select the range under the status column. Now, go to the Insert tab. Under Controls, click on the checkbox option. This will insert checkboxes beside each task to track their completion status. Next, let's calculate the planned duration. For that, we'll use a formula that calculates the number of working days between the start date and the due date. Select the first cell under planned duration. Type equal, then Network Days International. Press the Tab key to open the parenthesis. Select the start date cell, in this case, it's F10. Add an argument separator, then select the end date cell, which is G10. Add another argument separator. Then we will choose weekend, and for that we will select 11. This represents Sundays, which will be excluded from the working days. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Now you'll see the planned duration calculated automatically 11 days, excluding Sundays. Use the autofill handle to drag the formula down for all remaining tasks. Then use the autofill options and choose Fill without formatting to maintain consistency. Next, let's calculate the actual duration. Copy the same formula from cell I10 and paste it in cell J10. This time, replace the due date reference with the actual finish date, which is in H10. Press Enter, and you'll see the duration automatically updated. In this case, the task started on 1st September and finished on 11th September, one day early, and the duration shows 10 working days, excluding Sundays. Drag this formula downwards to calculate actual durations for the completed tasks. Again, use Fill without formatting to preserve your layout. Now, let's move to the summary section. We'll start with completed tasks. Select cell E3 and type is equal to COUNTIF. Press Tab to open the parenthesis. Select the status column range from D10 to D24. Then use the argument separator. And for criteria, type true. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Right now, it will show 0 since no tasks are marked complete yet. Now, copy the same formula and paste it in cell E4 to calculate pending tasks. Just change the criteria from true to false. Press Enter. You'll now see all pending tasks counted in this case as 15. As soon as you checkmark a task, the completed count will increase, and pending tasks will reduce automatically. Next, let's calculate early completed tasks. Select cell E5 and type is equal to COUNTIFs. Press Tab to open the parenthesis. For the first criteria range, select the remarks column from K10 to K24. Add an argument separator. And for the first criteria, type double quotes, then an asterisk sign, then type word early. Add another asterisk sign and close with double quotes. Next, use another argument separator. And for the second criteria range, select the status column from D10 to D24. Add another argument separator. Then for second criteria, type true. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Right now, it shows 0 because no task has been checked yet. Once you tick the checkbox for a task completion, and the same is marked as early in the remarks column, the count will instantly update to 1. Now copy the formula from cell E5 and paste in cell E6. Change the word early to delay in the formula. This will automatically count all tasks that have delay mentioned in the remarks and are checked as completed. Next, let's calculate the overall progress percentage. Select cell E7. Type is equal to COUNTIF. Press Tab to open the parenthesis. Select the status range D10 to D24. Add argument separator. And for the criteria, use true. Close the parenthesis. Then use divide sign. And type count A. Open the parenthesis again and choose same data range to get the total. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Once you tick the checkbox for a task completion, you'll get the completion percentage accordingly. Let's apply conditional formatting. Select the status range. Go to the Home tab. Choose Conditional Formatting. And click on New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Type is equal to. Then take the cell reference as D10. Then type is equal to true. Click Format. From the Font section, choose green font color and press OK. Keep the data range selected and go to Conditional Formatting again. Select New Rule. Use a formula. Type is equal to and take same cell reference as D10. Then type is equal to false. Click on Format option. And from Font option, choose red font color. Then hit OK. Now unchecked boxes will appear red. And checked boxes will appear green. Next, select the task name range. Go to Conditional Formatting. And create one more rule. Type is equal to and take the cell reference as D10. Then type is equal to true. Click Format. Then under Effects, select Strike Through and click OK. Now, whenever a task is checked, its name will automatically get a strike through, visually showing completion, just like in Microsoft Planner. Finally, let's create a donut chart to visualize task completion progress. Select the completed and pending tasks data. Go to Insert tab. Click on Charts and select Donut Chart. Switch rows and columns. Then choose Style 7 from Chart Styles. Remove the title and legend. Double-click inside the donut chart area to open the Format Data Point pane on the right. From there, adjust the donut hole size to 0 for a solid and clean look. keep the donut chart selected. Under the Chart Design tab, go to Change Colors. From there, choose the purple gradient, dark to light, to match the task tracker theme. Now, navigate to the Format Chart area pane on the right. Under Chart Options, click on Fill and select Gradient Fill. Then go to Preset Gradients and choose Medium Gradient Accent 6. Next, under Direction, select Linear Down to create a smooth downward gradient effect. Adjust the donut chart size and position it neatly on the Task Tracker dashboard like this. Now, go to the Insert tab. Select Word Art and choose a reflection style. With the word art selected, go to the formula bar. Type is equal to and link it to the progress percentage cell E7. Press Enter. Align it to the middle and center. Change the text color to white. Then under Home tab, increase the font size to 24. And that's it. Your Smart Task Tracker dashboard is complete. You now have a fully dynamic tracker that shows completed, pending, delayed, and early tasks with live progress updates and a clean, visual summary. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Smart Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.